Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to receive money on Wise. Now, to receive money on Wise is designed to be straightforward, especially for international transactions. Here's a breakdown of the process drawing from Wise official resources. The key ways to receive money on Wise are using account details, receiving via email or phone number. Those are the major two ways. So let's get into it. Now, if you want to use the account details, how do you do it? Wise provides you with local account details for various currencies. You can share these details with the sender, allowing them to make a local bank transfer. Receiving via email or phone number. In some cases, you can receive money via other Wise users directly through your email address or phone number. They're requesting a payment. Wise allows you to send payments requests to others, signifying or simplifying the process. Now let me give a step-by-step guide on how to use your account details. Number 1, get your account details. 2, log into your Wise account, whether website or app. Next, open the currency beside you. Open the currency balance you want to receive money in. Locate and access your account details. This will typically include account number, routing number for USD, IBAN for euros and other countries, SWIFT BIC code for international transfers. Bank name and address. Now let's look at how to share account details. Provide these details to the person or business sending you the money. Ensure you provide the correct details to avoid any issues. Once the sender initiates the transfer, the money will be deposited in your Wise account. You'll be typically receive a notification when the funds arrive. Important considerations. You will need to have an open currency balance in the currency you want to receive. Fees. Receiving domestic transfers to your Wise account is often free. However, some international wire transfers may incur fees. Always check Wise fee structure. Wise may require verification of your identity to comply with regulations. Where can you find the definitive information? From the Wise Help Center. Search for Receive Money within the app center. That's all.